Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, yesterday we started a rally in the bean market in part in anticipation of some good weekly export sales today, but also expectations as we look down the long-range maps that the U.S. Midwest could see maybe 70% of normal rainfall in the month of August. The problem that the bears have is that we also could see temperatures at or below normal. So there might be some pockets of stress for the soybean crop. It is not expected to be potentially a game changer, but we are up 20 cents in the nearby beans and back close to $11 in November beans, and that's a pretty good rally. I think the market says that if we are to get rains over this weekend across the Midwest and we get a little bit more in the West than what's forecasted, $11 might be strong resistance for November beans. If we miss these rains and it's dry next week, especially in the western Midwest, the objective might be $11.50. Corn's up a penny or two. Wheat's up about 5 cents. I think that they're following the markets. Export sales could be 1.5 million tons of beans, could be over 1 million tons of corn, could be 500,000 tons of wheat. Last week as buyers came in and bought those season lows. When we look around the world prices right now, though, Black Sea corn, Black Sea wheat is cheaper than U.S., and we might lose some new demand down the road. Also here in the United States, we've seen a pretty good appreciation in FOB values and CIF values, higher barge freight, higher rail freight, higher truck freight, and all that is at the Gulf, making U.S. less competitive than it was last week. So the new sales down the road might be a little bit less. And again, we're trading weather, we're trading how much fund activity there's going to be in this bounce, and then we're also going to be watching pretty closely what reports are coming out of the fields where it's dry and where the yields are the best. We have a couple of private crop tours going through the U.S. The one looking at the Corn Belt across Iowa, southern Minnesota, Missouri continues to talk about potential for record corn and bean yields. Spring wheat tour up in North Dakota is also looking at spring wheat yields, the highest in 7 years. So we've got an up market. We'll see what the export sales say. We'll see what the weather unfolds in the next week, and we'll see just how high is high on this bounce in prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.